Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Cellular data not working on your iOS 14, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here mobile data, just open it, just turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way, so just scroll up to airplane mode, turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just choose shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general again, just scroll down, just tap on reset and just tap on reset network settings. So just reset network settings. After, you just need to write your passcode and it will reset network settings. So if it doesn't help you too, just try another way, the latest way, just make forced restart on your phone. So just I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another model of iPhone, you just need to find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make forced restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.